It seems that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 might be released earlier than usual. We get new rumors of the LG G7 and it may include some sort of a digital assistant button, a la Bixby, and Apple apparently is having display problems yet again. I'm Jaime Rivera, and can somebody please explain to New York that in April it is not supposed to snow? This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as, Best Buy now has the new iPad, the one that now supports the Apple Pencil, and as it turns out, it also has trade-in deals in the case of you have older iPads, and we're talking as old as the iPad Mini 2. So if you're in the market right now, apparently you can get up to $125 in a gift card, which pretty much makes that new iPad 50% off. Is it worth it? I do believe it is if you're in the market for a tablet. Now let's talk about Apple, as it seems the company is now struggling to be able to get enough displays for whatever products we're going to get in the future. Apparently Japan Display, which was going to supply a ton of LCD displays, needs like $500 million to figure out some production issues that it has, and it seems that whatever orders it's received from Apple haven't been enough, or I don't know what kind of deal they have there. But Cupertino might be struggling once again. I'm really tired of, these news about Apple, and I know these news is not the way to say it, this news about Apple. It's just these because it's always happening. It's always the constant struggle for Cupertino to figure out production. Now, let's talk about Motorola. I didn't expect to cover this, but it seems that we will still be getting Moto smartphones. There are CAD images of a Moto Z3 Play, which obviously is the watered-down version of whatever Z3 we're getting. It supports Moto Mod, Snapdragon 636 processor, in addition to some decent specifications. We've always, we've praised this Play lineup because great battery life with the great design for Moto, but yeah, we'll see if we end up getting it or not. Now let's move the spotlight over to the LG G7 ThinQ. According to Evan Blass, that is going to be the final name for this product, and it seems that we might be getting it at some point in the next couple of weeks. We hear the typical Snapdragon 845 processor, finally an LG flagship that launches with the latest SoC, in addition 6 GB of RAM, storage, etc. Everything seems fine, but the most interesting part about the rendered video is that we might be getting some button for, just like we get with the Bixby button on Samsung devices, we might get the option for some sort of another digital assistant from LG. I don't know if there's enough space for another one with how good the Google Assistant is, but we'll see. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It seems that the company is really rushed to launch its latest Note before the latest iPhone. Apparently, we might be getting this device as soon as the summer, which usually is not the case. We get it until the fall, but it seems that Samsung wants to rush it out. And, I don't blame them, as the earlier it launches, the more damage it can do. Galaxy Notes have always been great, but we wonder exactly what is going to change, and we hear that there are already production prototypes out there. That's great, but in today's question, let us know, are you looking forward to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 now that we've seen what the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are? In my case, I do, but I hope they bring something more than just an S9 Plus with a stylus. That's my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our impressions of the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.